Hi there, it's Rosalie. Not long ago, I told my husband I was on the hunt for a dream cleaner. I wanted something that I could spray down the counters with, but not necessarily have to rinse. I wanted it to be able to clean greasy stuff and kill germs, but not be particularly smelly, and if possible, completely non-toxic. It's a pretty tall order. Does such a thing exist? I don't know. But I have something today that claims to do these things. I got a Black Friday deal on it, and it's called Force of Nature. So we're gonna unbox today and see what it can do. Okay, so in the box we had a spray bottle and this thing. It's got a plug, little capsules, and the instructions. Okay, I'm gonna do some reading. Okay, as per the instructions, you're supposed to make sure this little cap is on and then fill to the fill line with water. I decided to try distilled water. Then I gotta add one of these capsules that's got salt and vinegar. Then we plug it in and it's supposed to electrolyze the water. And I was reading the back, they've got this cute little explanation for kids, but hey, I thought it was useful. So you have water and you have salt, and the vinegar creates just the right playing field for the new teams to form. Okay, so when you're done electrolyzing, you've got sodium hydroxide and hypochlorous acid. So let's see what it can do. Okay, so I've got the capsule in there. It says that I should wait 10 seconds for the solution to disperse and then push the button to electrolyze. You see the front? It's probably been 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's got a little color code here. It says when it's blue, it's electrolyzing. When it's green, oh, look at that, bubbles. Okay. When it's green, the cleaner is ready. When it's yellow, you have 2 days remaining. Half red, that means there's a problem, I guess. And all red, you're electrolyzing. Either it didn't properly complete or your cleaner has expired. Okay, so this cleaner expires after 2 weeks. Well, judging by how much is in there, I'm gonna go through that definitely before 2 weeks. So, okay, it's supposed to kill 99.9% of germs. Kid friendly, pet friendly, nothing toxic. And it's just water, salt, and vinegar. So, look at that, that's cool. Some bubbles. Ooh, I see a little green. Okay. Well, that's fun. Okay, it's supposed to stop odors. It says they've got glass and stainless steel. Okay, it doesn't have drying accelerants, so you have to wipe it dry. But I don't see rinsing. Okay, sometimes it looks like they recommend you let it sit a couple minutes before wiping for the grease and the oil, so good to know. Saturate the surface. Good for pet accidents, apparently. Says you can finally skip that rinsing step. Yes. Okay. I don't know, this is sounding pretty good. I hope it works. Okay. We'll come back when it's green. Meanwhile, I learned that you can use this gadget as a timer to tell you when your cleaner has expired, but I just opted to just write the date with a dry erase marker on the back. So the instructions say that it will take 9 minutes to electrolyze, and you know, that's probably about right. I didn't time it, but there we go. Maybe after using this for a couple weeks, I'll have to come back and do a review. Okay, there's a fair amount of cleaner. It's not too bad. Okay, force of nature, do your thing. Thanks for unboxing with me. Do you have a cleaner that you absolutely love? Let me know in the comments.